Quarantine has officially gotten to me to the point where I'm like, okay, I'm finally gonna start posting YouTube videos again. Mostly because I'm bored. That's a lie. Half because I'm bored, half because I don't have any other source of happiness. I think I've finally reached the point that I'm throwing away my inhibition. I don't think it would be inhibitions. I think it's insecurities of having a YouTube channel. But I want to have fun. And I have fun making videos, so that's what I'm gonna do. Today we're dyeing my hair and making IMGA pants because I need to dye my hair. And I really want these IMGA pants, but I don't want to spend however much money they are. I just know they're too much. And when I was at Walmart the other day, they had these pants and I had the cheetah print version of them and they had black ones. They're like the perfect pant to make these IMGA pants. I don't know what they're called, but I'll put like a picture so you guys know what I'm talking about. They're gonna be really easy to make because you just have to add the like strings and I might add the ruching. I don't know yet. I haven't even tried them on to see how they fit. I hope they're long enough. Let's try them on right now. And then we're gonna dye my hair and then we'll start the sewing or DIYing, I guess. I'm not dyeing my hair a crazy color. I'm just touching up my hair basically and making it more cool toned. So it's boring, but I'm making a video about it, so deal with it. The pants are long enough. They're like a little short, but I think like with shoes on they'll look fine. Also, I thought it would be too like low-waisted, but they're high-waisted enough that I think I'm gonna be able to do like the ruching thing. But then my belly button's gonna show. Is anybody else insecure about their belly button or is it just me? Also, look, I'm such a professional YouTuber. I got myself a camera with a flip-up screen and a tripod. Guys, I'm serious this time. I'm serious. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna make a YouTube channel and I'm gonna stick to it. Let's go dye my hair. I'm sick and tired of having yellow hair and orange hair. I'm out of breath. I need to change out my pants so I don't get hair dye on them. But then we'll dye my hair. I changed. I was going to change into a hair dyeing shirt, but I can't find any of my hair dyeing shirts. For those who don't know, hair dyeing shirts are just shirts that I wore when I dyed my hair and ruined them. I could literally put a drape on. I have drapes. I literally go to hair school and I'm going to fuck up my hair. Yes, I go to cosmetology school. Yes, I dye my hair horribly. We exist. I don't section it. I section it, just not well. And we're thriving. We're not. We're pretending we are. Anyways, let's dye my hair. I tried really hard to get a good angle, but this is what you guys are getting. Also, sorry if I keep looking at the viewfinder. I'm only human, okay? I'm a human being. Okay, so first we're gonna bleach and then we're gonna dye. I think that's the best way to go about it. Let me show you what we got going on. My hair is very, very greasy. But I haven't washed it in a couple days because I've been planning to dye it and I keep putting back dyeing my hair. God, my hair is so greasy. This is embarrassing. Okay, so we've got these little blonde pieces. They're too much. They're too e-girl. I want them more money piece than e-girl and I accidentally made them too e-girl last time. I also have some down here that are just like, they turn straight orange after a while. So I'm gonna section off what I want to be blonde and what I don't want to be blonde. So I think like this is a good amount, like just this. Isn't this so exciting? Are you guys so glad you're watching this video? Does that look similar? Okay. I'm using 20 volume. I stand 20 volume, honestly. I literally almost cried over these gloves because I couldn't find them and they've been on our table for like weeks. I'm not even kidding, weeks. And the one day I need to use them, they were missing. I found them finally. They were not where they should have been at all, but I found them. So that's all that matters. And I didn't cry. I almost cried, but I didn't. I'm gonna do like the ends first because those are the most like orangey. And then I'll wait a little bit, apply it to the rest and my roots. That's the game plan. I'm really trying to not get this on my face because I will break out in hives. Speaking of hives, does anybody have a dupe for the butter bronzer? I think I'm allergic to it. I love the color. It's so beautiful. If anybody has a dupe, please let me know. Let me know, please. I'm begging you. Oopsie. Oh, bleachy bleach. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no. Oh, no. What have you guys been up to? Now we wait. If it looks like I got water boated, is that what it's called? You know, when it's like when you get, what's the word? Tortured with water? Waterboarded. If it looks like I got waterboarded. I did. I accidentally waterboarded myself. I don't know why I thought I could rinse this part of my hair without getting my entire face wet, but I did. Now it's time to tone. I'm using the one everybody uses, the T18 Wella toner. I am not, what's the word? Original. We'll do these bottom pieces first because they're, we need the most toning. I love toner. Toner, it fixes everything. I don't know where I would be without her. I'm probably gonna leave this on for like 30 minutes because I want it to be as full toned as I can get it. So, how about that pandemic? Oh no, I got toner on the toilet paper. Really hope I don't get hives. Fake bitches be like, let's go make some pants. Come with me. Let's go back to my room. If you saw the cross, don't mind them. My mom's a big fan of Jesus and all his work. Let's make some pants. I look crazy. Okay. I think what I'm gonna do first is ruche the pants. I think that'll be the easiest thing. I did just spend 10 minutes trying to figure out how to work my sewing machine again because I haven't used it in so long. I'm not gonna do the back ruche because I know there's back ruche. Should I do the back ruche? I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna do the front ruche. It's just down the center. I don't even really know how to ruche on a sewing machine. How to ruche fabric. Don't you just love YouTube?
Just
They have an answer for everything.
So wear a mask.
Go outside. Oh, so I just sew a line and then just pull it. Let's see. Why is it not turning on? Hello? I was about to start crying. Hello? What are you telling me? What does that mean? Oh, Lily. There we go. Did anybody else ask their parents for a sewing machine for Christmas and then just stopped using it shortly after Christmas? Or was that just me? Let's see if this will work. I'm gonna pull the string. It's not working. Surprise, I don't know what I'm doing. Did I ruin these pants already? I think I ruined the pants already, so that's great. Oh my god, you guys. It's ruching, it's ruching, look. Oh my god. How do I get it to stay though? Oh my god, I did it. How does it stay? I can't believe that works. Wow. Fuck me. I hate when the fucking thread comes undone. I really hope that stays. Wow. I'm not confident that this will stay forever, but it might stay for like a day, maybe. I'm happy we did this together. Oh, my closet. I'm so sorry. My closet's been open this entire time. That's so embarrassing. Very cute. Very cute. Look, can you guys see? So cute. I need to rinse this out and then we'll do the rest of the pants. I look ridiculous. This is the dye I'm using. It's the Lotos Age Beautiful 7A. I like using this one because it's for gray hair, but I don't have gray hair, but it helps with like building protein and keeping your hair healthy. That's why I'm using it. I really like it. I've used it like 3 times now. I'm gonna use 20 volume again in case you cared. I literally can't look at myself right now. Again, if you're a hairstylist, just click off now. Just click off. If you're one of my teachers, click off. Because I will disappoint all of you. You know, I love taking my time for other people's hair, for my own personal hair. I just slap it on. I really do, I'm sorry. When I said I slap it on, I really did mean I just slap it on because I do not love myself. I've been growing my hair out, but the other day I had a breakdown and I was like, my hair is so dead, I should just cut off at least some of it. So I just went in like a bad person on my ends. So it's not as long as it was, but like my hair has grown a lot. I'm sorry, my eyes are already watering. It's grown a lot because I did ruin my hair with bleach and I had to cut off like all of my hair. I still have these ugly layers because of it. Like it was not a moment, but we're growing, okay? I just want to have long hair. I want to have long, beautiful hair. I haven't had long, beautiful hair since my freshman year of high school. I'm not gonna do math right now, but it's been a while. I always accidentally fling hair dye onto the door. Don't tell my mom. My hair has never been my favorite thing about me, ever. And I'm constantly changing it. I don't know, I just never liked my hair. And I've got it professionally done, and I've done it myself. I've just never liked it. I don't know why, I'm just thinking of Anne Hathaway and Brokeback Mountain right now. I can't stop thinking about her. I can't believe we're still in quarantine. Isn't that crazy, isn't it? Just so crazy. Like, I literally find myself every day being like, oh my god, that mask is so cute. Life is crazy, guys. I don't know if you guys knew that or not, but life is crazy. Sorry about my dogs. Remember when Elijah Daniel made music? I just look a different type of crazy now. Also, while I was at Walmart, I got just this black tank top that I'm gonna try to use for like the strings. My problem is that the strings are so long that I don't know how to go about cutting it. I think like long ways, right? Let's find out, shall we? I need to cut on the floor. I just accidentally threw my scissors at my toes. Look my toes, sis. These strips are looking very bad, but it's fine. I think I should sew them and then cut them. Okay, back to the sewing machine. I think the first step is sewing these together. That was a great success. Now that I have this really long one, I'm going to be folding it in half and sewing it. And then flipping that around to make it like a long string. I really want to give up, but I know I'm going to love the pants when I'm finished. So I'm trying really hard not to give up. You know? on. Sewing people, what does that mean? I was gonna show you guys how I did it, but my camera kept dying. I'm such a YouTuber. Oh my god, guys, my camera died. I should probably explain how I did it. That would be helpful. So basically what I ended up doing was taking these strings and just pulling them and making them like rounded because my sewing machine just... And then I just hand sewed it to the inside. And then I just tied it around my waist. Do you like? I kind of like. They're cute, right? So I styled it. My shirt. Platform docks. You know the vibes. I really like them. I really, really like them. Oh, and this is how my hair came out. I really like how it turned out. I still kind of think I have a little too much blonde up here, but it's less than before, so I like it. Does anybody else feel like they can't wear eyeshadow without false eyelashes? I just feel like I can't wear eye makeup unless I have false eyelashes on. I hate wearing mascara. It makes me look worse. This is me justifying my appearance. 10 out of 10 would recommend. They're really comfy. They're really cute. Sorry, I keep looking at the viewfinder. I'm addicted to looking at myself and trying to point out all of my flaws. That's about it. So I guess I can end the video. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll make another video soon. I'm gonna go visit my sister. I think I'm gonna make a thrifting video, so give it like a thumbs up or like, what is it now? Subscribe, comment, all that. Do that. Sorry if I'm talking quietly. My dad and his friends are on the other side of this wall and I'm self-conscious. Bye, baddies.